Crusade for what? Ignorance? Violence? Madness? We must resist. We must fight them in any way we can. Praise be Salahadin.
Which is why you've come to me. Something caught your eye?
I've got what you need. I'm sure of it. Take a look.
You won't
See if
find
I'm not
better
right.
prices anywhere.
Has he lost his mind?
Now comes the English king and his infidel army. They leave horrors in their wake.
Come, people. Yes, come. Let me show you everything I have.